Understanding Eco-Friendly, a guide to greener language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very topical and important term in English, eco-friendly. This phrase is not just a buzzword. It's a key concept in our journey towards a more sustainable and environmentally conscious world. So, let's explore what eco-friendly really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Eco-friendly refers to practices, products, or habits that are not harmful to the environment. The term is a combination of eco, short for ecology, which is the study of the relationships between living organisms and their environment, and friendly, meaning not causing harm. When something is eco-friendly, it's designed to have a minimal impact on the Earth's ecosystem. To understand eco-friendly better, let's look at some practical examples. 1. Using reusable bags. Instead of plastic bags, choosing cloth or paper bags. 2. Recycling and composting. Properly disposing of waste to reduce landfill. 3. Conserving water. Fixing leaks and using water-saving appliances. 4. Using solar panels. Harnessing solar energy for power instead of fossil fuels. These are just a few ways people and businesses try to be more eco-friendly. Now, let's put eco-friendly into use. I bought an eco-friendly car that uses less fuel. Our company is adopting eco-friendly packaging to reduce waste. Using eco-friendly products can help reduce your carbon footprint. Notice how the term is adaptable to different contexts, always highlighting an environmental benefit. I hope this video has helped clarify what eco-friendly means and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, being eco-friendly is not just about the words we use. It's about the actions we take. Let's all do our part to protect our planet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.